That's going off again. See if it wouldn't. Focus on the screen. I don't see a strobe flashing. In the elevator now. Scanner feed going. Come on, second. This thing will open it up. Who knows what happened? Still flashing. I can't. Yeah. See the flashing there. You can kind of hear it.
Where are we going? What's it?
Well, not the type of them inside here. He wants us to turn them off. Oh, I thought that was for here. Even though it's still on. I'm on the other side here. This is used to that huge tower where the news station has their weather camera. I think I pointed that out during the siren test. Yeah, nothing. See, there's a simplex evac system. It's got these ceiling speakers, and then in the building itself it has True Alert. All over True Alerts too. They have the red True Alert speaker strobes like I have in my collection. Like, well, it's all right here.
Battalion 316. Local out to the villages on 3510 3rd Avenue Southeast for a general fire alarm, unknown exact location. Your call be on officer 2.
There. Not sure what they sound like. I mean, not sure what tone is programmed in. Probably just a 510.3. Most of these are. Maybe the slow loop. But yeah, I think it must have been a test or something. Must have been like a NAC test or something like that.
Arriving at the villages. Multiple story, multiple family dwelling, nothing short of 2 sides. 16 will be outside investigating side off by the street side.
See if there's any alarm service in this transmission. Proceed.
Contractor reporting children pulled the alarm and continue to investigate. Copy.
Kids. Remember there was one time around Christmas time where kids pulled the fire alarm, and I'm pretty sure they got coal in their stockings. I don't see any vans nearby. They'd probably be parked on the ramp itself. Or maybe there. Right there, actually. So it's probably a inspection. By the way, Look at how low that window is, nice sprinkler. This is eye level for me. And here the camera's at eye level, I can zoomed out. See how low that window is. And someone could easily go in and... But anyway, yeah. So they're probably doing an inspection. I might already be done with the NAC test.
We're getting another alarm from zone 2. That's it. Did you guys resetting again? Circle copies. We're going to look.
Kids pulling all the alarms? Possibly. Gonna stick around in this area. Maybe they're gonna do the Civic Street ramp now, or Civic Center ramp, I should say, not Civic Street. Well, I've been standing here for about a half hour and nothing else has happened. They're still here though. Maybe they're doing final paperwork or something, but I don't recall taking half hour in my building. So unless I see something else, see or hear something else happen. Thanks for watching. 2nd Street. You can see the strobe over here. So they must have come to this one now. Of course, we've heard that one before. Almost a month ago, actually, when the gal smashed her car into the Skyway. I'm not going down this time. Oh, and it stopped. I think you've seen the panel. I think I've shown it to you. The notifier one. But there we go. Thanks for watching.